No, let's not teethe on that. You're supposed to put it through the holes in the card. It's called lacing. No. Here. Oh, you were getting it and you stopped. No, let's not chew on it. No. Yeah, put them in the holes. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, you got it. Good job. And back of the mouth.